Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you our new feature where you're able to choose brand music. So what this will do, this applies to the universal settings in your Minta account. So all of the videos that you see in your catalog when you first log in will be made with the music selections of your choice. You can choose to have no music by simply selecting the toggle here, and again all of this lies in your brand kit area. You can go ahead and choose to have no music, or if you'd like to select certain songs so that all of your videos are automatically made with just the songs that you select. This will affect the settings you have in your power-ups. So the videos that Minta is posting every day for you behind the scenes, it will select only music from the brand kit, not music from our entire music catalog. So if you want universal settings, you're able to do that here. As always, you can preview the song by clicking on the little arrow. And then for the ones that you'd like to choose, you simply click and highlight. And then when you're done, you just hit done. So now Minta will use these 3 songs for all of the videos that we are pre-populating for you. If you go into your catalog, you'll see now all of the videos will be made with those selections you chose. But like anything else, you can always edit every individual video by just clicking the little pencil at the bottom. And if you'd like to select a different music for, a certain occasion, you're able to do that by just clicking the pencil, going to music, and you're able to change it there still. Again, in your power-ups, so you have your settings here for your daily auto posts. The music choices will affect these. So the ones that are posted to if you have all 3 selected, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, it will only pull from the music choices you have selected in your brand kit. And again, at any time, if you want to update this, you simply click on your brand kit, go here, click on the ones chosen, and you can select different music choices. All right, guys, have a great day.